So there are two parts in the question. I will be explaining both of them. So for the first part, the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from -4,0 and 10,0 is. So equidistance or midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. From here x1 is 10 plus minus 4 by 2, y1 is 0, y2 is 0 by 2. From here 6 by 2 comma 0 or 3 comma 0. So answer for the first part of OR is D 3 comma 0. Now for the second part, the concept is also same. The center of a circle whose end point of a diameter are -6 comma 3 and 6 comma 4. From here, from the same midpoint formula, 6 plus minus 6 by 2 and 4 plus 3 by 2, that is 0 by 2, which is 0, and 4 comma 3 by 7 by 2, which is the answer, 0 comma 7 by 2. So here the answer is C. Let's check both the answers. For the first part it is 3 by 0 and the second part is 0 comma 7 by 2.